be really careful in this car because there's glass everywhere. Don't put your hands down on the dashboard or anywhere else, alright? Okay? So if you pop the board in, how are we going to do this then?
Least movement, we don't want to move in as much as...
Support the head.
Yeah, so head supported. Does someone want to get onto the passenger side?
Why don't you put this side and we lean
Yeah,
on?
if we get a passenger on, then we can lift him up like we would do a log roll and get it under him, and then we're only moving him once. Put him back on the board.
So if I take this top
Why
end
don't
of
you
the
put
board,
it down sideways and then we can roll them onto it? Like,
Yeah, side.
yeah.
So,
Do it.
yeah, stop. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to pop it on the seat,
Yeah.
and we're going to stick it under his front. Okay? So just lift his leg up slightly, watch his arm there.
Yeah, watch down.
I've got this end. Okay, right, so we're in. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start to rotate the patient, and there's two ways to do this next bit. We can either move them slightly out of the car, in the sitting position still, and then turn them, or we can just start turning them, but if we do that we're going to have to lift their legs over the top of that centre console. Okay, so that's going to probably be your job, isn't it?
Okay.
And at some point you're going to have to hand off the C-spine because you're not going to be able to reach anymore. Okay?
So Molly, you be ready to get the
So
seat.
decide what you want to do, turn or a slight pull this way.
Pull them up a bit.
Okay, so just move them up a little bit, and if I come down, that way you're not pulling up your eye.
Wait. Hurt the head.
Right, so we're going on 3.
Yep.
Yeah.
1,
Wait, Andrew.
2,
What are you doing, Andrew?
I'm struggling to think what I'm going to do.
2, 3.
Yep. There we go.
Caught on the door.
Okay, just keep the arm there. I've got that. You keep the arm.
Ready?
I've got
Wait.
Are we doing it again?
that. You put the arm. I've got that.
1,
Keep it
2,
away.
3.
Okay, just stop there.
Yep.
Now, if we start to do a rotational movement and bring the feet over the centre console, we're going to have to swap the person doing the C-spine control probably.
I'm
How
alright.
can we do that?
Wait, what do you mean? Where am I going?
I think you're probably going to have to take over the C-spine while you then come under the arm.
Ugh,
Have you done hands on, hands off before?
No.
That makes you sound really cool. So you should say hands on,
Yeah.
and to confirm that you've now got the C-spine, and you say hands off to sound
the
like
seat came
Hands
off.
on.
Sorry.
Okay, so let's start rotating the patient now. Molly's in charge.
Ready? We're going to move on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Actually.
Andrew, you weren't ready.
No, just because I had a thought. I've got it.
Right, stop. Again.
What are we doing?
Moving on 3, but
Are we
Andrew, make
moving
sure
or
we
are we
do.
rotating?
Rotating.
We're
So we're going
rotating.
to rotate.
Rotate.
And Molly, you're coming towards the board, which means that you'll have to do a little bit of help. Sorry, I forgot the name.
Connie.
And then you're going to have to switch round the other side because Molly's going to come
Yeah.
down here. Yeah.
Right, you ready? Move on 3. Rotate on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on. Meg's not got the legs yet.
So at any point, somebody can shout pause,
Pause.
stop.
We're moving back on 3 again. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, pull back.
Pull it, yeah.
Okay, you done? And then what we're going to need to do. Arms on. Yeah, support his neck and straps.
Do you want head
Go
Connie?
now.
Stop that bit. Okay. Right, stop there. What's the hard part of doing a side extrication then?
It's a bit fiddly with the head.
For his legs, if he's got mangled
Legs.
trap them.
So the turn and bringing the legs over the centre console is quite tricky, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it would be even more tricky if they had leg injuries, agree?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, let's just rag him back in and put him where he was.
He has a handle on it.
Oh yeah, he does, doesn't he?
Okay. So, he's 50 kilos. Average patient,
Heavy.
potentially double that, okay? Right, let's do a linear extrication now. I'll team lead for it. So what we're going to need to do now is hold the C-spine. From behind again, or would you come from the front? From the front, exactly, because we're coming out the back, okay? So, if I take the C-spine and I'll also team lead, okay? Somebody's going to need to come in under the just here and on that side. So you grab the shoulder under the shoulders. Okay. Just come under here, whichever you like. It doesn't matter. Or come, if you can do that, just come from behind. Okay. Somebody wants the board down from behind. And what we're going to do, let's say that ratchet mechanism works. So let's just lean in forward slightly. Okay, and just ratchet the seat back for me.
Ratchet it.
Or as far as it'll go, nice and quick. Okay, and then where's the board going to come in from? Yeah, which end of the board? Other end, yeah. Pop that in. Good. Nice and quick. Okay, let's lower the patient down onto that board then. Okay, and somebody take over the C-spine control. Okay, now what we're going to need to do is hoik the patient up. So if we get under the shoulder and under the knee, we'll have somebody else in the back seat if we've got somebody available. I know you're going to need to stay on that.
For me to get in.
Yeah, you go there for me. Okay. So, you're going to be in charge. The useful thing to tell us is how far we're going to go.
Okay.
So I would suggest we just go a foot or so.
Okay.
All right?
So we're going up a foot. So on 3, we're going to go up. 1, 2, 3.
Good. And Molly, you push against us so that the board doesn't come up as well. All right? Okay.
Are we doing the same again? Okay, up again a foot. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, just pause there. Right, what do we need to do now? Okay, so we've got enough people, let's say. Get hold of that. Okay, you ready, Molly? So we're going to just pivot there. What are we resting on at the minute?
The car.
Okay, so let's just all take the weight and don't worry about the C-spine for a minute. Hold on to this, just because we haven't got enough people. Let's just move a bit across. Okay, so we'd probably end up resting in that position, wouldn't we? Yeah? So let's now slide out the back. Let's use that seat to take the weight. Just pause there. Okay? Because in a minute we're going to lose the benefit at the back of the seat.
Andrew.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, pause. So it's about to come off the back. Last little bit. Okay, just stop there. Right, let's just go back in. Feed the patient down. Just because we've only got a very limited amount of time. Okay, take the board away. Okay, ratchet the seat back up. What we're going to do now is pretend that that seat doesn't ratchet down. Sometimes if you have a heavy side impact, it damages that and you can't ratchet the seat back. I want to show you how difficult it is to do a linear extrication when you can't put the seat back, and suggest to you that it's probably not a particularly safe thing to do. Okay, so we've got the C-spine again, somebody. We've got somebody under each arm.
I'll go the arm.
You want to do the arm? And I'll do C-spine?
Yeah.
Okay. So C-spine, someone, you're going to have to do it from the front. It's really
I'm
nice and cozy.
not.
Yeah.
Andrew, you're going to have to do C-spine because you've got
Get to it, someone needs to get to that then.
Okay, so we'll bring the patient forward.
Pull forward. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, board in. Okay, now I'm pretty much stuck with the board.
Right.
Okay, so
Molly,
we're
do you
going
wanna
to have
get-
to bring the patient up the board, aren't we?
Yeah. Molly, do you want to go on to the other side where that passenger, that side, the right side of the back seat? I couldn't think there. Stabilise it from that side. And we're going to pull them up, okay? I'm going to do it on 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, no, we're not.
We're not.
So, what might be better is you take the head and actually you get under the...
Me.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're not happening.
That's why we're doing practice, yeah? Learn these mistakes now, okay?
You're on the
So
C-spine
you're now
now.
in charge.
Right. We're going to move up on 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
This is mega hard.
How the hell are we supposed to get...
50 kilo patient.
That's a no-show.
Alright, So the longer you stand there, the more he's going to
Why
slip down.
did it
So
go?
Because I can't get it in lift to it.
Andrew. Ready, move
Wait,
up.
I'm not up enough to
Andrew,
it's not a mouse in the
sorts it
control room.
out. Ready, move up on
I'm
3.
fully aware of that.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
This is not appropriate lifting.
So we're currently precariously balanced on the top of the seat there. Let's just bring the patient all the way to the top of the board.
Ready, move again on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Just watch that camera there. In real life. Okay. So let's start bringing the patient out the back. Don't worry about the neck. Let's assume that we've got enough people and we've got somebody on C-spine. Okay. Somebody either side. So you come around to the back door. You guys have got the foot end.
Yeah.
You ready? Come. Okay, just pause at that.
What's that?
Don't close.
Ready? So just tell me when it's going to drop, because we're going to lose the benefit of that headrest, aren't we?
Yeah. I'm watching it, I'm watching it, I'm watching it. Well, it's going to drop.
Back.
In a minute. Okay, and then round to the front. Sorry, back. Meg? Is it?
Ready? Yeah.
You ready? Right, we're going to lose it in a second. Get your hands on.
Okay. So as a reflection, do you think that that is a very good technique? If the patient can get out themselves, is that not going to involve much less movement to their C-spine, much less effort from us, and a lot safer? You feel how precarious all that is. Very, very difficult.